Welcome to Day 2. Today, you evolve your Day 1 app into a fully responsive, safe idea generator and ship it through a feature branch. Replace generic divs with semantic elements: main, section, form, label, and button. Every label for value must match an input ID. Style the form as a horizontal flex row. Below 600 pixels, the input and button stack vertically. Responsive layout with no frameworks needed. Variables hold values. Functions group reusable logic. Events connect user actions to your code. These three ideas power every web application. Wrap your script in DOM content loaded so it runs after the page is ready. Register every handler with add event listener, never with inline onClick. Always call trim before checking the input. Reject blank values, show a specific error message, and return focus to the input field. Set user text through text content, never innerHale. Inserting raw user input into innerHale creates a cross-site scripting vulnerability. Your idea generator accepts a topic, validates it, creates a safe idea card, removes individual cards and clears them all. Push feature/idea generator, open a pull request, review every file and files changed, and merge only when all 8 test scenarios. Open versus code. Build the semantic form, wire up the events, and open your first feature pull request. See you on Day 3.